India's largest tech extensive program is live now and you all are eligible to participate. Hello and welcome friends on this channel of Career Edge. This is Akshay and this video is going to be very important for you and for your friends and for your colleagues also. So doesn't forget to share this video with your friends and please do subscribe our channel because this type of videos you only find on our channel. And here this is an extensive program. Firstly, you want to know which companies are participating in this extensive program. Top startups and companies are participating just like AWS, Grow, Crew and many more. So here what is in it for you? Firstly, work on challenging tech project because project matter most on your selection or on your placement, because projects are the outcomes of your learning, and after that there is an interaction with the mentors and also there are supports and guidance from the Crew group, and most important thing, there is nothing to pay for this extensive program. Firstly, you all want to know what is an extensive. You mostly listen about the internship. So extensive part, experimental learning opportunities similar to internship but generally shorter, provided by partnership between educational institution and employers to give a student short practical experience in their field of studies. Mainly extensives are unpaid, but here you are going to get some knowledge, some experience and also projects which you can showcase on your resume and also from the companies, and also you get a certificate from here so that you can also have a proof with you. So here you can see the project names, just like Vicara is working on storage drive for enterprises, Reco is working on O authorized manager, AWS is working on task architecture and scheduler. So this type of projects you are going to working on. So mostly many students are confused to work on which project and how to work. So this is the solution of your confusion, where you also got a support of Technical Giant and also technical support from GitHub, HackerRank, and also there is a motivational speak from Flipkart. So there is a 3-stage of this extensive program. First stage is warm up, where you are going to work on a simple projects, and this is a fully remote and online, and the duration is from 9th January to 16th. And most of you want the benefits. To see the benefits is assured scholarships and also stage 2 qualification. In stage 2 you got an advanced project. Here some coding challenges is also there, and mostly it is related to website development. And after that there is a benefit that if you qualified this stage, then you got an internship from Crew. So the stage 3 is the internship program in Crew, and here you can find the projects which is real world project where you can start that internship with Crew, and also this internship is going to be paid. So after that the technology partner you can see here, and if you have still some confusion, so you can refer in this FAQ section. So you all know about that this is a paid extensive. No, you doesn't need to be pay anything to Crew, but this is also not a paid internship, like it is an externship where you doesn't get any money, but you got a project idea and also you work on real-time projects. So here what are the benefits of participating in this Crew winter doing? So I already explained all the benefits of this winter of doing and also of this extensive program. And at the last, do we work in groups or individually? So this is situationally. If you got a project which needs more people, so you can find a team, but basically you can do individually in the stage 1. So here is the registration process, where it asks for your name, college, your email address, and after that your phone number and WhatsApp number, and after that your graduation year. Basically you doesn't face any problem in the registration process. So it is going to be start from 9th of January. So be ready for this. So doesn't miss this, an important and very easy opportunity to get an externship from big startups of India, and also having a challenging projects for your resume and your placement. So please like our video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel.